Just a quick video to give you a heads up about these aftermarket latches for the Versa and the Rogue. I think these will also fit older Muranos as well. The electrical plug just doesn't fit. Now these three latches, I'm starting to get returns on these, and I think I'm pretty much done with them, but the electrical plug doesn't fit. You'll see, you can jam it down. I think the connections will work, but you can't really get it locked down into place. This plug, here's an OEM latch that I got from a 2010 Rogue, and here's the electrical plug. That's the plug that came with it. It fits in there perfectly, and you won't ever have an issue with it. So my advice here would be to get an OEM used one of these guys from eBay if you're looking at replacing it over the aftermarket ones. This one I think is loose. The actuator is loose as well. It's just, sometimes aftermarket parts are hit or miss, and this one's definitely a miss. I will have the OEM part numbers. There's some different ones in the description, as well as a link to eBay. We'll see you next time.